Today I would like to discuss about the one more fundamental concept about the memories. Under the memories, I would like to discuss about the subconcept, that is the flash memory. So before I am discussing about the flash memory, once again I review the total concept of the memories. We know that the memory unit is one of the fundamental unit of the computer which stores the both data and instructions. So without memory unit, we are unable to perform any tasks because no data or instructions are permanently stored within the computer. So basically, this memory is divided into the two concepts. One is the we are consider this is the memory. This is divided basically divided into the two parts. One is the primary memory, and another one is the secondary memory. Generally, the primary memory is again divided into the three concepts based on how the primary memory chips are designed or fabricated. The first one is the read-only memory. That is, we only this is supplied by the supplier or computer manufacturer. We are only access the data from this one. We are not going to be write anything into this one. This memory consisting of the basic system programs to start or to boot the system. So many times we are discussing this concept. The second one is the random access memory, right? Which is like the in the form of the cells or locations. Each and every cell has a one number, unique number to identify the particular cell. Right here we store the data and instructions, but this is the volatile memory. So when the power is switched off or when we turn off the computer, the data is no longer available within this memory. The third one is an associative memory. This is also the primary memory. This memory structure is also like the in the form of the locations. But what is the difference between the RAM and associative memory is the associative memory has no addresses for the locations. Based on the content, suppose based on the content, there is one argument register. The argument register contents are compared with the contents in the associative memory. And in this way, we are going to be access the data from the associative memory. So these are the three basic memories for the primary memory. Come to the secondary memory. Actually, the secondary memory generally we are going to be specified that the data is stored on permanent basis. So there are the several things. This is also known as the auxiliary memory. That means some additional memory units or additional memory devices we are attached to the computer. Generally, the associative memory or auxiliary memory is again divided into the two parts. One is generally we are going to consider the hard disk drives and CD drives and DVDs and something. And one more kind, some circuits are available to store the data on permanent basis. That is, we are going to call it as a flash memory. So the basic example for the flash memory are the memory cards, memory cards, which we are going to be insert either in our mobile phones, cameras, digital cameras, and something else. And we are also call these things same as the flash cards and memory sticks. We generally call this one as the pen drives in general. So these are some of the examples of the hardware circuitry which are used to store the data on permanent basis. We can this one, this flash memory circuits, suppose we will consider this is the system, we can attach anytime and we are able to detach at any time. Not only flash memory, even the all auxiliary memories we are able to add and we detach as depending upon our needs. So one of the magic issue here is the flash memory is another version of the read-only memory. So the flash memory is another version kind of the read-only memory. We know that the read-only memory, even considered as the primary memory, it is designed or fabricated by the manufacturer, and system programs are inside the read-only memory. So the ROM, generally we are called it as a read-only memory. This is again classified into the number of ROMs. One is the PROM, that means we are generally called it as a programmable ROM. The ROM and PROM are the same because some of the programs are inside. Next one is the EPROM. E means erasable and programmable. Erasable and programmable. That means we are able to erase the ROM. That means the data is able to erase not number of times, a few times, minimum one or two times erasable. And again, we are going to be store the new programs in the erased area. That is the EPROMs. The final one is the EEPROM. So that is nothing but electronically erasable and programmable. That means we are going to be simply press delete, or we are going to be select and delete. So we don't know how these are the deleted automatically, the contents, right? The logic is not important here. So for that reason, I am not going to be discuss that one. So the contents will be deleted number of times from the ROM and again right. So these EEP ROMs are generally called as the flash memories. So this is the basic knowledge about the flash memories. Now I would like to show some of the notes or document regarding the flash memories, please. So here what I am going to write here, please observe carefully. Flash memory is non-volatile memory that can electrically erased and reprogrammed. So non-volatile means here we are going to be store the data on permanent basis. Hence, there is nothing to be a problem. We are right, and we are erased number of times from our pen drives, from our SD cards, some from our different repo. It's a technology that is primarily used in the memory cards and USB flash drives. That means thumb drives, handy drives. That means we are going to be take it and attach and remove, and memory sticks, flash sticks, jump drives, cap and go drives, and for general storage and the transfer of data between the computer and digital products. The digital products may be the some cameras and some cell phones, some other audio video players to store this one. So the specific type of EEPROM, that means here we are already discussed electronically erasable and programmable read-only memory that has that is erased and programmed in the logic blocks. Where we are going to be use these flash memories, that means applications in PDAs, that means personal digital assistants, and that means we can generally call them as the tabs and something, laptops, computers, audio players, and digital cameras, right? We are already discussed that non-volatile, that means we are going to be store the data on permanent basis. So the flash memories does not want power. That means there is no need of continuous supply of the electrical circuit. Even we are detaching these devices from the computer. And what is the advantage? These are the fast accessing devices, not not compared with the random access memory. Random access memory is work much more fast than the flash memories generally. So compared to the CDs and something else, DVD drives and other kind of the auxiliary memories, the flash memories are more working more fast. So here I am going to be write some of the flash memories. The first one is the memory stick. What I am going to write here is the memory stick is an integrated circuit. All are the here all these things are the electronic circuits. That means the digital circuits. All these are the digital circuits. It means these are fabricated by the electronic elements. Not I'm good. Elements means AND gates, OR gates, and NOT gate like that. So the memory sticks are designed to store data to enable the transfer data between the computer and these particular device. So anywhere we are going to write number of times because these are the simple. We are going to be understand that these are the simple EEP ROMs, electronically erasable and programmable ROMs. The next one is kind compact flash. That means this is a kind of the flash memory or EEPROM that is manufactured by the another organization or another company. The compact flash card is also a integrated circuit, right, which stores the compact and rugged plastic encode that is covered with a plastic cover like our pen drives. Compact flash drives are designed to store data and enable transfer data between the devices. Same thing. Next one is the SD cards. These are also the integrated circuits, right? SD cards are designed to store and the multimedia cards. The multimedia cards that is especially used in the digital cameras and audio video recorders. That means they are able to store not only the text documents and something else. That is huge volumes to store the audio video recordings, right? So these are the simple concept about the flash memories. I hope you can understand. Thank you.